In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store. Now, this might seem like a daunting task initially, but trust me, with the right guidance, you're only 5 minutes away from bringing your dream store to life. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to head over to Shopify's website. It's the gateway to creating your very own digital storefront. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it is your first step into the Shopify world. After you click login, you're prompted to enter your email address. This email will be your primary means of communication with Shopify, so make sure it's one you have easy access to. Fill in your email and proceed to the next step, which involves a critical part of accessing any account securely, entering your password. After you've typed in your password, go ahead and click on Login to officially enter your Shopify dashboard. Now you're inside your Shopify admin area, simply referred to as My Store Home. This is where the magic begins. The first piece of advice here is to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Shopify has designed it to be intuitive, but a little exploration can go a long way in making you feel at home. The next natural step is to start setting up your store information. This encompasses details like your store's name, address, and other specifics that help Shopify understand who you are and what your business is about. All of this can be found under the settings section of your dashboard. After you've laid down the foundation with your store's information, it's time to tackle the essentials, setting up your payment and shipping. For payments, Shopify offers a variety of options, including major credit cards, PayPal, and Shopify payments, among others. Go to the payment section in Settings and choose the method that aligns with your business model. Shipping is another vital component, especially if you're selling physical goods. Navigate to the Shipping section in Settings and specify your shipping rates, zones, and the methods through which you wish to send your products to your happy customers. Up next, customize your store to make it stand out. Shopify provides a plethora of themes and designs that allow you to give your store the look and feel that represents your brand. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or cozy and traditional, there's a theme for that. You can access this through the themes section of your admin dashboard. Now, let's talk about what you're really here for, your products. Go to the products section in your dashboard and you'll see the option to add product. Click on it and you're ready to start inputting the details of the items or services you're selling. This includes everything from names, prices, images, and descriptions to inventory and shipping details. As you're adding a product, remember to give it a title that's both descriptive and enticing. This is the first thing your customers will see, so make it count. Following that, categorize your product. Categories help keep your store organized and make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Last but certainly not least, fill in the product details. This is your opportunity to really sell your product. Be descriptive and highlight the benefits of your product. Good product descriptions can significantly influence buying decisions, so take your time crafting them. And that, my friends, is how you build a Shopify store in about 5 minutes. From logging into Shopify to adding your first product, each step is designed to move you seamlessly through the process. Of course, these are just the basics. As you become more familiar with Shopify, you'll discover a wealth of tools and resources at your disposal to help grow your online business. Remember, the key to a successful online store isn't just in setting it up, but in how you curate the shopping experience, market your products, and engage with your customers. So start exploring, learning, and experimenting. Your entrepreneurial journey has just begun. Happy selling,